Okay, so now there's very little that we're going to do for the rest of this module, which is adding the relationship view file and just setting up the endpoint and then registering that for the application PY so that there's a blueprint in there. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to create a Viewspy under the relationship folder or module, and we're just going to set up the very basic endpoint here for add friend. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so here we're going to import the blueprint from Quart, and then we're going to define a relationship app, which is going to be the blueprint module with the name relationship app and the name of the file. And then we just define the route, which is going to be add friend / username. That username is a parameter and a method of get. And then we are going to define the actual function. And for now, we're just going to return added friend username. Next, we're going to be going to modify ApplicationPy. I did a bit of changes here. There were like no return types here on this before serving and after serving, and I also added type ignore because there's no easy way for MyPy to detect the DBC property that we're attaching to the app context. So unfortunately for now, we're gonna use type ignore in there, but yeah, that's a couple of things that I changed there. But now we're going to import from relationship views the relationship app and register here that new blueprint. And the last thing we're going to do here is we're going to add the, there's an issue here. Relationship views has no relationship app. I have a typo here. I think it's methods. And then it's saying a type annotation is missing. Right. So we're going to add string here. And let's check what this application issue is. And now it's reading it correctly. So I guess there was that issue with the methods. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the templates and add that route on the user profile. So we're going to say for add, we're going to create the actual action. So instead of ahref equals pound, we're going to say ahref equals, and then we're going to do a Jinja template here with the URL for relationship add a friend with, and we're going to pass the username in here. And so that way we're going to be able to get that URL for with the username context that we are passing to the view back to that endpoint that we just created. Perfect. So let's try this out. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and then I'm going to go to that other user, Luigi, and I have had add friend here. So when I click add friend, it says added friend Luigi. Although there's I'm missing a space in there, but you get the idea. That's kind of working fine. So that's what we wanted to do on this lesson, and the next unit is going to be all about wiring that up on the database. So actually creating the functionality for adding a friend and removing a friend. So we'll see you there.